What if I told you that you are going to live forever? Not through some mythical fountain of youth or a futuristic medical breakthrough, but because the fundamental laws of physics demand it. Imagine waking up every single day, facing the countless tiny risks of existence. A slip in the shower, a near miss on the highway, a random cosmic ray, and always, without fail, surviving. You wouldn't feel special, you wouldn't feel immortal, life would just continue. This isn't the opening scene of a science fiction movie. This is a mind-bending possibility rooted in the strange and wonderful world of quantum mechanics. It's a concept called quantum immortality, and it suggests your consciousness is on the ultimate survival journey. The core idea is both simple and profoundly weird. At every moment where your life could end, the universe splits. In one reality, your story concludes, but in another, you survive. And because your consciousness can only continue where you are, well, conscious, you only ever experience the timeline where you make it through. You are the protagonist in a story that, from your perspective, can never end. To understand quantum immortality, we first need to talk about the stage on which this cosmic drama unfolds, the multiverse. This isn't just a convenient plot device for comic books, it's a legitimate interpretation of quantum mechanics called the many worlds interpretation, first proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III in the 1950s. He looked at the bizarre behavior of tiny particles and suggested something radical. He proposed that every time a quantum event has more than one possible outcome, the universe itself splits into multiple branches. Each branch represents one outcome, and they are all equally real. Imagine a simple choice. You're standing at a crossroads. Do you turn left or right? In everyday experience, you pick one path and the other becomes a what if. But in many worlds, the universe duplicates at that moment. In one universe, you turn left. In a parallel universe, a copy of you turns right. Both universes are real, and both versions believe they made the one true choice. They can't see or interact with each other. They continue down separate paths, unique timelines in a grand branching cosmic tree. Your awareness follows the path of existence, not oblivion. Now let's zoom in from the vast multiverse to the tiny particles that make it all possible. This is the realm of quantum mechanics, and it's where reality gets truly weird. At the subatomic level, particles like electrons don't exist in one definite place until we measure them. They exist in a fuzzy cloud of possibilities, called superposition. Think of a spinning coin. While it's in the air, it's not heads, it's not tails, it's a blend of both possibilities at once. Only when the coin lands, when we measure it, does it pick a side. That measurement is what, in many worlds, causes the universe to split. Schrödinger's cat shows this. A sealed box, a vial of poison, a single radioactive atom that may decay or may not decay. Until we look, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. Observation forces reality to pick a side. Many worlds says, the universe doesn't pick, it splits. One branch, you open the box and find a live cat. Other branch, a copy of you finds a dead cat. Both outcomes happen, both are real. You just happen to be the branch petting the relieved cat. Let's take this idea and, well, run with it. You've set up your quantum suicide machine. You press the button, click. Nothing happens. You feel a rush of relief. Lucky you, the particle must have spun up. So you decide to try again. Click. Still nothing. And again. Click. And again. Click. From your point of view, you are the luckiest person alive. You have defied 50-50 odds dozens, hundreds, even thousands of times in a row. You start to feel invincible, like you've broken the laws of probability. But you haven't. You're just experiencing a massive case of survivor bias on a cosmic scale. In reality, countless versions of you have perished. With each press of the button, a new universe branches off where the experiment ends tragically. There are grieving families, confused scientists, and a very final outcome. But your consciousness, the thread of your personal experience, is not in any of those universes. It can't be. Here is the most unsettling and fascinating part of the quantum immortality theory. You would never know it's happening. There is no special sensation, no flash of light, no cosmic notification that says, "Congratulations, you have been transferred to universe number 7,432,981. The transition would be instantaneous and seamless. Your memories, your personality, your sense of self, everything would remain intact. The only thing that changes is that in the new reality you inhabit, the event that would have killed you simply didn't happen. The truck swerved at the last second. The diagnosis was a false positive. The fall wasn't as bad as it looked. Think of it like editing a film. In one version of the movie, the hero dies. The film ends. But in the director's cut, the editor seamlessly splices in a new scene where the hero miraculously survives and the adventure continues. Your consciousness is the audience that only ever gets to see the director's cut. You have no knowledge of the original, tragic ending that exists in another theater. To you, the story just flows. Life feels like a continuous, unbroken stream of events punctuated by moments of what you perceive as incredible good fortune. So, what do we do with this information? It's a speculative theory at the very edge of physics, impossible to prove or disprove from within our own experience. It's a perfect philosophical puzzle. But whether it's literal truth or simply a powerful metaphor, it offers a revolutionary way to think about our existence. It invites us to live with a bit more cosmic swagger. If there's even a sliver of a chance that our consciousness is on an endless journey, it changes the stakes. It suggests that our existence is far more robust and significant than we might imagine. The universe isn't a cold, indifferent place that will snuff us out. It's an infinite playground of possibility that will always, in some corner of its vastness, provide a way for us to continue. This doesn't mean we should be reckless. We should still look both ways before crossing the street because we want to stay in a good timeline with the people we love, not a bizarre one where we survive a fall from a plane but land in a world of chaos. This perspective encourages us to act with courage and optimism. Why not take that creative risk? Why not learn that new skill? Why not pursue that dream? In the grand scheme of the multiverse, there's a version of you succeeding. It's a call to live more fully, to be more present, and to appreciate the incredible, improbable fact of our own awareness right here, right now. If this journey through quantum immortality expanded your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of science and reality. Keep thinking, keep looking up.